IronCAD 2024 Product Update 1 extends functionality that was added in 2024 to create part links and assembly links from selected. The new functionality in Product Update 1 allows us to be done at the feature level. For example, if we drag and drop some features onto our model, we can size these down and place them on multiple locations. This is normal IronCAD behavior where we can drag and drop and place holes, for example, onto this model. We want these two holes to be the same, and we can just simply select both of those, right-click, and use the option to create a link. This will allow us to create these two to be the exact same size. When one's modified, both are changed automatically as linked relationships. This can also be done on the dropping action. When you right-click on a catalog item, you can select to link on drop. For example, now when I drop the hole, I can size it down to a particular size. When I drop the next hole onto our model, it'll actually be the same size. So I can drop this into multiple locations onto this model and place them quickly and easily using the Create Link on Drop. This is added in IronCAD 2024 Product Update 1.